Hey everybody. Hey, guess what? Today is my birthday and I've been invited to a very special brewery. Have no idea where it's at, but I've been told that it's a surprise. So you know the drill. As I work my way into this new surprise brewery, subscribe, share, like, and I'll see you on the inside. Dilly dilly. Okay, everybody, we are inside the new brewery.
How cool is it? What's the name of it, Mike?
It is called Mikey Ds Brewery.
Oh my goodness, it's named after you.
It is, because it is my birthday. And we are at actually my daughter's house, and she set up a brewery in my name at her house. I mean, you talk about some cool stuff. It doesn't get any cooler than this. And I know that this is after the fact because they did all kinds of food. But look, hold on. Let me flip this around. We got, well, they're all empty because we drank everything. But look at this. We got all these,
She made her own flight trays.
Look at just, there's my daughter. There, and look at the shirt. The shirt says Mikey Ds Brewery. She's got Jimmy Buffett playing, and then we've got boards up here, which I don't know if I can zoom in on. We got boards that she has 23 beers on these boards where we did flights. I mean, how cool is that? And like I said, we had lots of food, and there's the name of the brewery right there, Mikey Ds.
And there's our menu for food.
Yeah, there's our menu.
Oh, and look, and there's a cute little bartender.
There's one of the bartenders right there. So yeah. So how cool is this? And here we have a special guest. My sister Judy came all the way in from Colorado, just to celebrate my birthday. Look at it. So what did you think of this whole setup, Jude? Come on, what do you think of the whole setup? She's just clueless. She's so overwhelmed with joy and love with this whole thing.
Mike, I just gotta say, my favorite beer up here on this board at Mikey Ds Brewery was Sweet Baby Jesus, the chocolate peanut butter porter. Oh my goodness, I could just drink that all day.
Are you having a religious moment or what?
With Jesus, yes, over this beer.
Well, I can tell you, there was a lot of beers up there that I liked. Whoever decided what beers to take, I mean, they got 23 beers, 23 beers on tap. I mean, that is crazy insane. So it's just amazing.
And what did she do for dessert?
For dessert, well, I tell you what, let me just show you what we did. I can't hardly walk here. For dessert, we've already eaten most of it. Look at here. You know, I'm giving up my age. Look, 64 years old. I'll be on Medicare next year. But look, happy birthday, Mike.
What kind of cake is it?
It's a Texas sheet cake that my mom used to make forever and ever. But look at this. Jimmy Buffett, all the beers. This has just been, it's been an amazing birthday. I know this isn't a real brewery, but it's about as real and about as good as I've ever been to. So I thank my daughter and my son-in-law, Lindsay and Owen. I love you bunches, and this has been the best birthday ever. You take care, dilly dilly, and we'll see you next time.